So today we had a very nice session. I really liked the levels we were starting the session and also the levels we could draw toward. And yeah, I'm going to explain you what I saw today. First of all, you can see my Telegram group that I told you about this negative 0.25 level for the potential third leg up. I told you yesterday about this level, and I'm going to show you exactly what I meant with this level. And this was a level for me to look for shorts and for us to potentially have a reversal to the downside, which we today exactly did. And also what was good for that to happen was that we took out the daily high, which we couldn't take out yesterday on ES. I'm going to show you. So yesterday we already took out, on yesterday's candle, we already took out this high on NASDAQ, but we couldn't do it on ES. So today we did that, and from there we rejected off and formed a reversal to the downside. So as you can see here, ES on the 1 minute time frame. And as soon as I saw this, I wanted to short the market, but also had in mind that we could potentially go up toward the negative 0.5 level for the potential third leg up. And what I mean with this, I'm going to show you right now. So if you have the higher time frames, the 4-hour chart, since we had the last bigger leg down, we are in an uptrend. And what I was looking in this uptrend, which started here, how many legs to the upside we had already. So it was one leg to the upside, one retracement down, second leg to the upside, second retracement down, and here we have the third leg to the upside. And typically when we have the third leg to the upside and then we potentially form a reversal to the downside, it isn't that big as the third leg to the upside. So what you can do to predict where the third leg or even the second leg is likely to go, you just simply take your fib retracements and measure the first retracement to the downside. And as you can see here, this was the second leg to the upside, and we approximately went toward the 0.5 level. So what I was looking for the third leg, that we at least go to the negative 0.25 level to retrace off of. So I did the exact same thing with the second retracement to the downside. And as you can see here, we perfectly rejected off of that level today. So if we go down to the lower time frames on the 1 minute, we perfectly rejected off of this level. So that was a huge confirmation for me today. Then, as always, I marked out the opening range gap and then the first presented fair value gap. And from there, we basically chopped around a lot. So I was not interested in taking any trades. And also we formed SMT at the bottoms the whole time. As you can see here, we formed lower lows on ES, but higher lows on NASDAQ, but I wanted to short the market, so that was not really a good thing for me. So one thing I wanted to see is that we have SMTs at the highs, which we had right here. So there we formed a higher high on NASDAQ, and here we formed lower highs on ES. So that was a good sign for me that this high might be protected. So I was looking to enter actually right here, but not on this candle, but on the next candle, but I didn't get the entry. So I wanted to see if we're able to close below this low, but we didn't, so I wanted to wait. And right at this point, I wasn't quite sure if we just stay in the range and not drop lower, or might potentially even go higher. So I wanted to wait. And then after we saw that formation right here where we closed above a high, this is actually a setup of mine, and then dropped lower and confirmed that as an order block, I was very looking forward to go short. So as soon as I saw this candle here trade below this open of that candle, I wanted to look for shorts, which I did. So I saw this order block form and then confirm with this candle. And right when I had the confirmation where we traded below this open, I sold. So I entered right here and had my stop loss right there. And then as soon as we hit the first FVG, I sold again. So I pyramided, I added to the position, and then I held the position until we closed in the opening range gap. So that was my trade of today. That was pretty nice. And I told you the levels I was looking forward right at the beginning of the session. First of all, we had this low, which is a 90-minute cycle low from 7 until 8:30. Then we had London low and Asia low, and also 2 1-hour bullish IFVGs, and also the unfilled opening range gap from yesterday, which is marked out with this orange box right here. And you can see it when I go to the regular trading hours, you see this is the opening range gap from yesterday, and this portion we didn't fill. So I was looking forward to trade right to this orange box as well. And yeah, today was a little bit longer of a session recap because it was very interesting to trade today. And I hope you liked the session recap, and I hope you found it insightful, and I hope you could understand whatever I was explaining. Please write in the comment section if you didn't understand something I said. I'm always happy to help and open to explain myself better. So yeah, talk to you tomorrow. Have a nice evening and be safe.